with a taste of smoked chicken delight and the cheese melting inside. Chef IrixGuy in the kitchen, oh so bold, filling empanadas with treasures untold. The aroma fills the fiesta night. His creations bring pure delight. Empanadas, hot and steamy, filling dreams. Oh, they're free. Empanadas, love surround ya, bringing joy like a fiesta. Dough flaky and golden brown as cheers rise through this lively town. Every bite's a dance of flavors true. Chef IrixGuy knows what to do. From every layer to every fold, his art a story to be told. Empanadas, hot and steamy, filling dreams. Oh, they're free. Love surround ya, bringing joy like a fiesta. Camaraderie by the firelight, hearts warmed by every bite. In this Mexican night we're free to savor life's melody. Empanadas, hot and steamy, filling dreams. Oh, they're creamy. Empanadas, love surround ya, bringing joy like fiesta.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.